everybody, welcome to yet another makeup tutorial, and today we're going to be doing this very easy. I must say it is an easy eyeshadow look, even though it looks a bit complicated, but you'll see in just a second how I do it. So I'm starting off by applying my eyelid with the LA Girl Pro-Conceal concealer in the shade called Fawn. So I'm just going ahead here and blending it out using my fingertips, and then next I'm going to be grabbing one of our newest eyeshadow palette, and the one we're going in with is called the Nubian 2 by Juvia's, and of course I'm using that eyeshadow called Zuri first to apply all over the eyeshadow area. Then now here I'm just using a concealer, and the concealer that I'll be using today is from Fenty Beauty, and in this one is in a shade called Bamboo. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going in with this goldy-ish eyeshadow shade, and this one is actually called Nefertiti. Yes, Nefertiti. And I'm just making sure that I follow the same line that I used to apply the concealer, making sure that I'm sewing it out. Just to make it a little bit darker, I decided to go in with an eyeshadow called Jezebel, and yeah, just a touch of it, and it was enough. Then I decided to actually create random looking shapes on my eyes, nothing specific, as we all know that animal print is not perfect. So this is not about perfection. So I'm just going in with the black gel liner, and then after that I'm going to be going in with a liquid liner, because the liquid liner dries a bit matter, so it's actually going to help define the lines a little bit more. And then here I'm just basically going in with that goldish eyeshadow called Nefertiti, just to make sure that I don't lose that gold shade, as it was starting to look a little bit more faded. So this one is just going to help that black dots appear a bit more better. And yeah, so as you can see here, I'm basically going in with that not gel liner, but a liquid liner basically. And yeah, just going over those random shapes. And then here I'm just going back again with that concealer, and then once I'm done with that concealer, I'm gonna go in with that eyeshadow shade that we used first, and that one is called the Zuri. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm basically just gonna smoke out my upper lash line as well as my lower lash line, and that is how easy it is to basically create this look. It is not complicated at all. Just create random shapes on each eye. It's not gonna be perfect because yeah, animal prints are not perfect. So yeah, once I'm done with that, a touch of mascara, then put on my falsies off camera, and then back to the face again. And I'm starting off with this Dr. Rochelle Vitamin C makeup fixer. It's a 3-in-1 prep, primer and set type of liquid. And once I'm done with that, I'm going in with the NYX Born to Glow foundation, and basically this one is in a shade called Cappucino, and that's what I'm using here. It's actually darker, but you know what, your girl loves dark makeup because darker just makes everything appear a bit more better. And then next I'm just going in with this MSLondon Cosmetics loose powder. Actually it's a foundation, let me not lie, it is a powder foundation, yes. So I just love it so much because it just seems to work for me most of the time, and that's what I'm going to be using to highlight, basically like my powder highlighting. Those areas would be underneath my eyes, on the hollows of my cheek, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and of course my chin and my cupid's bow. And while I'm waiting for that to kind of like settle in a bit, I'll be going on my lower lash line with that goldish eyeshadow, just to help my eyes look a bit more finished. And then once I was done with that, I'm just gonna remove the excess powder using this powder brush. Your girl was taking her time here. I just had to make sure that everything blends out evenly. And then I'm gonna be going in with this Sweet Peach Glow palette, and this one is from Too Faced, and I'm basically gonna be going in with a beautiful blush that they have on there, which is actually the matte one in the center. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna be going in with one of those highlighters that they have on their palette, which, wow, I love the blush, I love the highlighter, no complaints. It's beautiful, it smells amazing. And yeah, a touch of it on my apples of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose, and of course my cupid's bow, and just a touch of it on my forehead, because you know your girl's got a big forehead, so we can't go on and put too much of the highlighter, otherwise you're gonna be seeing it from space, and we don't want that kind of attention. And then for the lips, I just went in with a black lip liner, and then for the lip gloss, we'll be applying the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Gloss Balm, and that basically will be it. And then after that, I decided to go ahead and apply some mascara on my lower lash line, and that's basically it for this look. It was that easy, that simple, and I certainly hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And until next time, bye bye.